So often Tipu Sultan has been portrayed in a very wrong way. And it's been happening. Tipu has become a weapon for other people to misuse and misquote, misinterpret.
Now, that is a stupid statement made only for political gains, with absolutely no truth, no grain of truth in that statement. If anyone wants to get proof of it, I would request you to come to my native place. It is 95 kilometers from Bangalore. The name is called Seebi. There is a very famous jatra going on there, Narasihma Swamy temple. In that famous temple, the ceiling does not have the portrait of the god or the goddess. On the other hand, it has the painting of the benefactor of that temple, namely Tipu Sultan, fighting tiger. There is a beautiful vegetable dye painting just 95 kilometers away. You can just show that painting and tell the whole world that this was Tipu, not a anti-Hindu Tipu.
So, what's your message for those people who are trying to remove Tipu Sultan from subjects, trying to make people forget about Tipu Sultan, because there's a big contribution of Tipu Sultan to the entire world. So, but slowly, day by day, we're trying to, the pages are getting reduced now, because there's a time we had 5 pages of Tipu Sultan information. Today, there's hardly, we don't have anything.
See, these are strategies to divert public attention from the genuine issues. People are suffering from unemployment. Demonetization has destroyed the career and life of so many people. GST has robbed several industries of its existence. And it is to divert the public attention from these issues that this kind of an activity is indulged in. Narendra Modi ji, he said by 2022 the farmers will get double their income. Double. He said 1,000 crore jobs per year. The exact opposite is happening. The farmers are committing suicide. Forget about doubling their income. These are issues he is unable to answer. So what will he do? He will say Nehru was wrong. In 1947, Nehru did a bloody blunder by dividing nation into Pakistan and India. Is it an issue to be discussed with this generation who are hard pressed for bread and butter?